My name is Randy Bush. I've been involved in technology and early stage startups since the 80s, longer than I'd like to admit, I guess. And fortunately, I've been on the entrepreneurial side. I've been involved in very young companies, been able to grow with them and be part of growing these companies. I'm a big believer in the ecosystem and want to support it. What something like Brightspark allows me to do is take and invest my money now across a portfolio of companies that even if I had access to before, would be difficult for me to invest in. Now I can. I can take a small amount of money and invest in a portfolio essentially now of late stage seed or early stage venture capital seed. I've been fortunate enough to work with the people involved in Brightspark for a long time, involved in some of their great successes. Think back to Delrina, for example, a huge Canadian success, a darling of the Canadian technology sector back in the early 90s. Exited to a company called Symantec in the US, which most people I'm sure know of. Think Dynamics, a very early exit out to IBM. Fantastic success story, proving this whole incubation, early investment kind of model. Take a look at ServiceSoft. I was involved directly myself with that business, along with Mark Skapinker, who is one of the managing partners now at Brightspark. What a great success that was. We were able to take a company that started here in Canada and merge it with organizations in the US to great success. Add on to that then the success of Radian 6 as well. I mean, again, another great success story, not even centered here in Toronto. We talk about the reach of Brightspark across the country. Here's a company that was started out in the East Coast, grew amazing success in a space that's very competitive, this whole CRM or relationship management market, and found a niche and was able to grow and extend that to a point where they were acquired by Salesforce. Fantastic story, fantastic success. These are the kinds of things that Brightspark can bring. So if somebody's starting a company in Canada, if somebody's looking for investment partners in Canada, they're talking to Brightspark. Brightspark has access to deals that you just won't get on your own. You're going to have to find somebody like this if you really want to get those gems and make sure that you're getting the best possible investments. So if you're waiting and you're considering getting involved in these kinds of opportunities, you may decide you want to take a risk on your own. I would suggest that to get started, get in now, get involved with people who have done it, who know it, who I've been involved with and have made money with. And that's the best way, I think, to get started and involved in this business. Invest with somebody who can help you through that process. They know how to qualify deals. They know the kinds of things to look for. They know where challenges will be. They know where competition comes from. They know the industry inside and out. So they're the best people to get yourself started with in these kinds of investments.